Good afternoon! Welcome to the hippest and coolest talk show in town, Jammin' with Juvie. And now your host, the alluring, the spicy and ever sexy Miss Juvie Cuaño.
Okay, good afternoon, friends, and it's another bright Tuesday afternoon. And today's episode of Jammin' with Juvie is extra cool as we begin the very first day of the Christmas month. So, Merry Christmas! And it's gonna be really special here as we explore the realm of cyber world, the internet, through the eyes of a cyber addict. And to give us a closer look to today's topic, here's Rosabel Castillo.
Kataan sa ngayon. Isa na dito yung internet, lalong-lalo. Gustong mag-detox sa website. Nagtanong kami ng ilang mga chatters sa mga internet cafes sa paligid ng UP para sa kanilang mga opinion.
Tempest yung binili mo? Tempest?
Way of communicating with them through the net because of email or when you go online on IRC.
Hello, Jar.
Hello, my name is Jar. I use the internet sometimes to do some of my research projects at school, and I also use the email to keep in touch with my friends and family back home in San Francisco, California.
Hi. The reason I use the internet because since we're in the computer age, we have to keep ourselves up to date, not just to talk to friends or just for current events. You know. Hi, Rami.
I'm what you call a techie. So whatever is new in the technology world, I go for it. I use it, and there. I like using the internet because first of all, it's fun. You can do a lot of stuff in one time. And then email, for example, it's very fast, it's quick, and it's something new. It's something of a, how do you call it? It's something of a novel. It's new and not a lot of people utilize it as a medium of communication.
And chatting with friends, because basically this is cheaper than talking on the phone, and you get to talk to more friends at the same time. Started out of something out of curiosity and then just developed as a habit.
Internet
Interesting sa mga kabataan dahil sa itong paraan, mas mabilis nila makakausap itong kaya nito. Para sa Jammin' with Juvie, ito si Rosabel Castillo.
Okay, maraming salamat, Ross. And now, let me introduce our guest. He is a cyber addict. He is an 18-year-old film major at the University of the Philippines, Diliman, and his website, www.tv.geocities.com, is recently chosen as one of the top 10 Philippine websites in the 1998 Webby Awards. So, friends, let's welcome Mr. TD Garcia. Good afternoon, TD.
Good afternoon, Juvie, and good afternoon to all the televiewers of Jammin' with Juvie.
Yeah. Okay, to start with, since when have you been using the internet?
I have been using the internet since last year. Mga November yata yun of 1997. Kasi doon kami nagsimulang magpa-subscribe yung mama at papa ko bala. Nagpa-subscribe sila ng internet sa bahay. But before that, nag-use na rin ako sa mga cyber cafes. Pero talagang naging addict ako nung nagpa-subscribe na kami.
Oo nga, alam mo, Terry. TV, nalaman namin dito sa profile mo na you're really a cyber addict. Considering that you use internet. Tutuwa ako eh. Ganun eh, you're using the internet. Sorry. Considering that... Okay, considering that you use the internet daily for 4 hours and then during the weekend for 8 hours, so paano ba nangyari ito?
Actually, hindi ko rin alam eh. Pero I was siguro sa fact yun na I was amazed by the technology kasi parang ako, kunwari, film addict din ako. Lahat ng mga klaseng movies na gusto kong malaman, talagang nakikita ko sa isang click lang. And besides, nakakapag-chat ka rin sa mga tao na hindi mo kilala with the same interest as yours. Hindi mo man lang alam yung ka-chat mo pala taga, for example, Canada or any other place. True.